Shah Rukh Khan should apologize to me. I'll never ever sing for Shah Rukh again. Shah Rukh did not give me due credit in his films. Once again, the Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, is caught in a web of controversies. In a career spanning around 22 years, SRK has always maintained a very professional front. But this seems like a far cry from what B-Town's beloved singer Abhijit Bhattacharya has to say. Recently, a tabloid published that singer Abhijit wants King Khan to apologize to him. Well, what's next? Zoom got onto the job and decided to get the full story from the man himself.
मेरे साथ बहुत गंदी चीज हुई है इस सिंगर कम्युनिटी के साथ, तो मैं दुनिया की कोई ताकत आ जाए, जब तक मैं कोई ये बोलेगा कि यार अभिजीत ऐसे भी आपका शाहरुख के लिए कहाँ गाते हैं, आपका कहाँ है, इट्स ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर होता तो भी मैं करता.
Abhijit, who has lent his voice to Shah Rukh in many of his big-ticket films like Main Hoon Na, appeared more than a bit miffed with the superstar. He went on to list all the wrongs that Shah Rukh has allegedly done to deserve his wrath.
जितना ह्यूमिलेशन शाहरुख खान की पिक्चर मैं हूं ना, उनकी होम प्रोडक्शन में मैं हूं ना और ओम शांति ओम में, नॉट ओनली मी, मेरे बाकी सिंगर्स लोगों ने क्यों नहीं किया, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. वहां पे जो चाय पिलाते, जो पानी देते हैं, जो हैंगर में कपड़े ले जाते हैं, जो शू पॉलिश करते हैं, हर एक को बाकायदा शूट करके उनको दिखाया गया. फ्रॉम म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर टू लिरिसिस्ट, ईच एंड एवरीवन एक्सेप्ट द सिंगर्स. और हमारा भी, वो भी टाइटल में भी, पिक्चर खत्म होने के बाद एंड में जब आप हॉल से निकलते हैं तो सोचो मेरे जैसा आदमी जिसको लोग बोलते शाहरुख खान का वॉइस है, मैं खड़ा हूं अकेले हॉल में अपनी फैमिली के साथ, सब लोग वाह वाह करके निकल रहे हैं और मैं और मेरी फैमिली वहां पे, मेरी आंखों से पानी निकल रहा है.
Well, even though the singer is keen on Shah Rukh apologizing to him, he only knows too well that it's not likely to happen anytime soon.
He will not, क्योंकि शाहरुख और मेरा नेचर सेम है. आई एम स्कॉर्पियन, आई एम 30th October and he is 2nd November I think. So he will not. लेकिन he will, जिस दिन उसको रियलाइज होगा कि ये गलत हुआ है.
Amid and distraught, Abhijit went on to declare that henceforth he would never ever sing for the Badshah again.
इसके बाद मैं तो कभी तुम्हारे लिए गाऊंगा नहीं. It was like that only. उसके बाद मैंने कभी कुछ वो नहीं सोचा और मुझे जो करना था, मैसेज भेजना था, बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैंने शाहरुख खान को, फराह को, विशाल शेखर, सबको मैसेज कर दिया.
Well, we wonder what Shah Rukh has to say about these accusations.
अभिजीत भट्टाचार्य जो सिंगर है, उन्होंने कहा है कि वो शाहरुख खान के लिए कभी कोई गाना नहीं गाएंगे. What's your comment on that?
I don't know. I find this. Do you find this coincidence that everyone becomes very famous when they say they won't work with me? You know, they always write stories about people who say, हम शाहरुख के साथ काम नहीं करेंगे, हमने शाहरुख को पिक्चर से निकाल दिया, हम उसके लिए गाना नहीं गाएंगे. His decision, God bless him.
Well, King Khan may have gotten away with yet another witty comeback, but looks like he has found yet another enemy for himself in B-Town, and we sure hope that the list doesn't go on increasing.
Hi Sajid Bhai, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being on our show. I know you don't do too many TV interviews, so it's a privilege to be with you today.
Great pleasure, mine.
Okay, the first thing I want to ask you is that the toughest part of Sajid Nadiadwala film is the big star cast. आप कैसे handle करते हो?
See, this star cast, now basically I worked as assistant to Chintu ji in my first film Hatyar. Then Mithun Dada was in Gulami. So basically coming from the fraternity, I've been seeing these people from the last 25 years and grown up with them. So it was my dream to get all these and so was my director's dream. And making this kind of films gives you a different high.
The casting of your film always creates a lot of news because of the big star cast.
Big star cast and very unique. Like, see, I was the first guy who got Sanjay Dutt and Govinda together. Then I was the first guy to get Sunil and Akshay together.
Wow, yeah.
Waqt Hamara. then Sunny Deol and Salman, then two Salman together, then Rani and Preeti first time, then Akshay and Salman first time. So I try doing that first time, so it gets that little exciting value to the audience, besides the script, of course. In future also I'm trying to do something which is little away from the track.
There was this news in the papers that we were talking about how when you were signing up Shah Rukh, Salman was upset. Yes, was any truth to that? And you work with the biggest, so does it ruffle feathers?
No, actually, we started 18 years back, me and Salman, and we started with the film Jeet, Fiske Judwa Hua. And we got into a bond like this, that actually we make one film in 4 years. So our relation is not only committed to films and only business, but like even on my personal front, or like when I was getting married, I discussed Varda with him. So all my important decisions of my life, I always, and so vice versa, not that he's discussing his marriage decisions.
This new trend of actors getting a profit share, what do you think of that concept?
It's not a trend, actually it's not trend, it's like majburi. Because they expect a lot of money, but there's a point of saturation. How much you can increase? You know, so it becomes like more like a gamble than a business. It's like going to a casino then. The producer better sit in a casino and play there. Itna hi gamble lena hai, to usse wo rule mein baithe. So they've understood that structure, and at the same time they're smart enough that if the film works, it works for everybody. And see what has happened in Three Idiots. The same. So they've got beautiful numbers, and there's a lot of this kind of model could have only happened if there was a lot of transparency.
There's so many actors have come and gone, you have seen them, but Khans are still like the Khan.
It started as a humor about a couple of years back, Khans. And now it's become, and people are taking it very seriously. I refuse to take it seriously. Just a coincidence. You have time when you have an Irfan Khan and a Yusuf Khan, Pathan also in the same team. That doesn't mean that it's just a coincidence that these, the people who are doing well are the Khans. There are times where the Kumars are doing good. So it's just part. I feel you should not take it seriously. The Khan world or Khan world. It's not that.
What is your dream project?
Again, bigger cinema. Try giving Avatar, try giving Titanic to our country. The numbers, because I'm into basically the maximum people watching my films. That's my dream. So I want that there could be a day then all the people of India are into theatres. And there's actually like a few outside.
Thank you so much, Sajid. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
We'll show you some exclusive performances of Hema Malini along with her two daughters. With these visuals of the hot photo shoot of the two star wives Gauri and Suzanne. Take a look.